Good morning, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Glad that you're back watching this video. This is going to be part 2 of rebuilding my son's Honda Civic. I'm heading to the bank right now. We gotta go pick some money up so we can buy these parts. I did locate one other Honda Civic on Facebook Marketplace, which was the car that I originally went to go look at to buy and just swap the transmissions over. And the guy sold the car, and I found it on Facebook Marketplace. The guy's parting it out. For some reason he said he couldn't get a title to it. I'm glad that that deal fell through. So I contacted him on it and he hasn't got back with me. Now I'm not going to wait around all day for a response, so we're going to go ahead, head up to pull apart. Gotta go pick my buddy up, Dwayne. Y'all probably seen his car, the yellow Camaro and stuff. So let's go ahead, let's get to the bank, let's get this money, and let's get to Louisville and get these parts. All right, so we're here at Harbor Freight, and we're gonna see if we can find some drill bits that will hold up to that metal that we got. Because as you saw in the video, I don't know if I put it before this clip or after this clip, but we burnt up 4 drill bits, so trying to find some that way we can take with us when we go to the junkyard. So let me continue looking here, see if I can find a good decent set, and I may have to invest into a drill, because I don't see no drill bits here that will fit into the hex head and the torque bit impact driver there. So I don't know, so let me look and see what I can find, and then we'll go ahead and we'll head to Louisville to pull apart, and we'll get the pieces that we need. See, now I wish I could find some drills, bits like that 4-pack that's like these with the impact driver. That's what I need. And well, here's $8.99, $9 just to have them destroyed. I wish it had one more bit in there to be better. But and here's a variety pack right here. I don't know if that'll be, I don't know if that'd be a better bit set or not. So, and I've already got that cheap ass shit right there. So I think I may go ahead and just, like I said, pick those impact rated ones up, since I got the impact and I don't feel like buying a damn drill. So let's go ahead. Oh, there's 13 piece up there for $7. So all right, we need to pick these up and we'll get the hell out of here. Post it right here, and so I don't know, well, I got surveillance cameras on the house and whatnot. They're not working right now, but I guarantee they will be working within a week or so. And if I catch the guy or people, whoever, I feel sorry for them. So that's the only vehicle they could have got into that was sitting in the driveway. There was 5 other vehicles in the driveway. All of them were locked up except for that one. So what I decided to do with my son's car is that we're going to go ahead, we're going to drill out the spot welds on that cross member, or the core support there, and we're going to take that out. We're going to go to the junkyard, and we are going to take another one out of another Honda Civic. So I've already started drilling the spot welds out on this side. I gotta get this
bumper support out of the way. I got one bolt on the bottom side there that is rusted nut on the back side, so it's not letting the bolt come out. So I gotta find a wrench or something to try to stick in a hole and to hold it to remove that last bolt, and we can take that off. As you can tell, this car is pretty rusty, so that's the reason why I decided to go ahead and just replace that, because this is all busted. As you can tell, the bolts there are busted or broke off. One still good there, one broke off down there. So now I got it off. What I had to do is take 13mm wrench, and I took the bar, I bent it down. As you can tell right there, let me see here, you can tell I bent it down. So I took a wrench, I stuck in there to hold that little nut, which I'm gonna have to find. It fell on the ground here somewhere, and I'm gonna put it back on there. I'm gonna clean that up, and I'm gonna re-tack it with the welder back on there, that way to be secure. So now, since we got that out of the way, we can remove this little baby horn and go ahead and finish drilling out the spot welds that holds this cross member on, and we'll get that thing taken off. All right, so if you never done this before and you think you want to attempt to do this at some point, you know, it's always good to know how to do this. I'm not no expert at it, but I've got plenty of people that work in the body shop that taught me and whatnot, and I have worked in the body shop back in my younger days. And when I mean younger, I mean like 15 years ago. So what you want to do is you want to get a drill bit a little bit bigger than your spot weld that you're doing. You don't want to go all the way through, you just want to bite through enough to take that spot weld out. So let's go ahead and let's begin. Let's get this stuff done. Alrighty, so after going through a couple drill bits or whatnot, we finally got it all off. I guess I'm gonna tack weld this back onto the car. Not gonna worry about that. Had two slot here and one here, so we got this side done. Now we're gonna have to get that side. Since I know which ones I have to drill out, that side should go by a lot faster. So let's get that side off. So we're going to pull apart now. I'm getting this one almost out. Got to do a little bit on that side, whatnot, and there's core support to be out of this one. So let's finish up, get this one out, and we'll be on the hunt for some more parts for the car. So what I got was the radiator support with the new hood latch. I found another silver hood. I bought the whole cooling system with the fans and all, and I got two new hood hinges that I'm gonna put on. Also got a headlight. So let's go ahead, let's get this unloaded and let's begin putting the car back together.
What are you talking about? You ain't got no damn money. We need heat, not money.
You're gonna have money to get heat.
Motherfucker. Can you see the mark? I need it right back where it was. That's what you think where it was, huh?
Yeah.
And that's the secret. Get it right back where it fucking was.
It's coming along pretty good now. We got the hood put on. I just now got the headlights put on, and everything seems like it's lining up like it's supposed to. I'm not too worried about much of the body gaps, but we got them somewhat close. So the only thing I got to do is put the radiator in and go from there. Now we did put the hood latch in and had it all lined up, and I guess in the wreck it messed up the cable right there where it latches in. So I just bought that cable the week before he wrecked this car, so now I got to buy another cable to put in it for it to work. So I got the radiator. I've got the radiator and fans. When I bought it, it was a little bit cheaper than buying them individually. So I gotta get that put back in the car. My first thing I gotta do is take off these old transmission lines, since I have them still on the car there, and unplug this, and that should be about it. Then I'll be able to put the new transmission lines on, plug that up, whatever that goes to, and should be able to call it a day on this. So let's go ahead and let's get this installed. Alrighty, so now we got the bumper, the whole front end put back together. So my son don't know that I put the car back together today. I told him that it would be a couple weeks or whatnot before we can get all the money for the parts and stuff. But I think he's gonna be pretty happy that he's gonna get his car back. Since he's starting a new job, this will help him out a lot more. So the only thing I got to do is put one bolt on the corner of the bumper over there, and I have to rig up some kind of cable or something so I can stick through the grill until we can get a hood cable for it. That way he can check the oil and stuff. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoy what you saw today. If you did, comment down below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.